So I'm going to show you how to add an item to your inventory. So you can do this one of two ways. You're able to search for a watch. So if you know the model number for a watch, you can do this. And it will search for it. You just simply click on it and just go add to inventory. And you're able to put in the details. So I can just say I purchased this for myself. I bought it today. Purchase price, again, just putting something in here. If there's an expense associated with it, like if you had to ship, you could put that in there. If there's a note, I could just put shipping. If you're putting a tag price here, you could put the price. Again, I'm just spitballing here. I could put the serial number. I'm just going to make something up. Inventory type, you're able to add if it's regular, memo, or partnership. So I'm just going to say this is regular. All right. The status, is it in hand, incoming, out on memo, on hold, reserve, or available to order? We're just going to put in hand. The location, if you can put that if you keep these somewhere. And then you're able to say, is it new, pre-owned, retail ready? So for this, we're just going to be new. Any of these things you want to put in there. If there's notes that you want to know, like, maybe like scratch on bezel, you're able to add that. If you want to add pricing, if maybe you got salespeople, you're able to add, hey, this is, retail price for this needs to be that. End customer price, again, you're able to make all these up. If you got an invoice associated with it, you're able to add that. If you have a box, you can say I have a box. If you have a warranty, you're able to put the warranty date in here, so you can check that as well. If it's been modified in any way, you can put that in there and add notes. If not, just hit next. From here, you're able to add your own images. You don't necessarily have to do this unless you just want to have it on hand, maybe to share in a WhatsApp or Telegram group. You just hit skip, and it's been added. So what you need to do is you can go back to your inventory, and there it is. All right, so that's the first way. The second way is just to go to add inventory, select the type. Is it a standard watch? I would recommend doing this for any of the regular, like in the market watches at the moment that are readily available. Anything that's maybe vintage, maybe doesn't have the right model number, you can do miscellaneous watch. Again, you do not have to adhere to any of these. You can add this to whatever, any accessories, apparel, whatever, you're able to add it this way. So if you're just going to add a standard watch, you can just go to add inventory. I'm just going to do, again, I'll search for the 50535, and then it'll pop up. So there it is. And again, I can do the same process. It's entirely up to you how you do it. But like I said, it's pretty straightforward.